Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hanging indent just like this in Google Slides, and the process is pretty simple. First, you want to make sure that the rulers are showing up. Now, to ensure that the rulers are showing up, you have to go to the view menu and then go to show ruler. Make sure it is actually checked. And it's very important because we are going to use the feature to create the hanging indent. Now you can select the text box that you want to create a hanging indent, and then you want to select all the text from this text box. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A or Command and A, or you can also just use the cursor to select all of them. And after that, you have to click and hold this tiny triangle icon at the top of the ruler, and then you want to move it to the right. You have to be precise here. You want to select the triangle icon. It's very tiny, so take your time to click on that element. Let's say I'm going to move it right here. Now, of course, if you want to create a hanging indent, the first sentence or the first line has to be actually going into the left, to the left side. So to enable that, now we can click on this object that looks like a rectangular. It is located on top of the triangle. Again, you have to be precise here. You want to click on this rectangular object, and then you want to move it to the left, and it will bring the first line to the left and the rest will stay. So that's how you can create a hanging indent easily in Google Slides.